Facebook is a social network with the objective of exchanging fluent communication and distributing information easily through the internet. It is directed at sharing the facts of a person's daily life. How you feel today, what is happening to you, or add content such as videos, photos, or text of an important event in your life. Just as there is the possibility of being a sender of a message, there is also the likelihood of finding a range of content classified as educational, news, personal entertainment, self-growth added by individuals in your list of friends. If you're one of those people who prefer conversation by adding emoticons and you cannot find them on your keyboard, with these simple combinations you can add fun to your chat. If you want to express happiness, or maybe you feel sad about something, or say with an emoji like this, and that something you like, you can express it. There is a function that allows you to find friends who maybe you thought were not on this social network. By clicking where it says Suggestions, you will see a series of results of the people recommended for you. Something that happens to many people in these types of social networks is that individuals who do not know access their profile to find information that they most likely do not want to see by strangers. For this, you must locate the configuration of your profile and choose the option of friends in all the questions that you make there. Discovering Facebook, you can find options where you can create a page dedicated exclusively to your company, promoting your brand. Maybe you want to advertise your business or find people with the same interests. To do this, go to the Create tab and there will appear a drop-down menu in which you will have the possibility to make your choice according to your search. The explosive growth of this tool presents remarkable opportunities for interaction, enriching in a simple and effective way. This practice with recommendations that will be a great help in increasing your ability in this social network.